JD Cap here, 26 for Just Do Tips, Repairs, and Hobbies. I'm going to show you where settings is on an iPhone and where Siri to turn off Siri. Stay tuned.
Let's turn off Siri. So you go up here, it's buried in there. Hit that. Hit settings, the cog, and go down. That's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notifications, general, and Siri. Okay, there it is right there. Shortcuts. And listen, see it says, "Hey Siri." You can turn it on. Like that. It's on. And it'll say continue. You don't want to do that. You want to turn it off. So let's go up here and turn it off. Okay. See, it's off. Listen for Siri. Press home for Siri. Turn that off. Turn off. Okay. Search suggestions. You can leave the search suggestions because if you ever turn it back on, if you want to use it again, this is what it will search down here. So it's settings and Siri, and that's how you do that. So that's how I'm going to show you today. I hope you're having a good day, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.